How to buy Apple gift cards online. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to easily buy Apple gift cards online. But before you get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your web browser, and here on your web browser you are going to search for apple.com/shop/gift-cards. Once you do that, you will be directly taken to the Apple gift cards website. Now, on the top of your screen, you will have an option that says buy. Just tap on it. And from here, you have two options. You can either send it via your mail or your email. I'm just going to choose the first option. And here you can choose different designs. So I really like this design right here. I'm just going to tap on that. You can choose your amount. Here is a predefined amount, 25, 50, and $100. Or if you want to enter any other amount, you can do that here as well. I'm just continuing with the first options. And here on the recipient name, you can enter your receiver's name. Or if you are buying it for yourself, you can just enter your name as well. And on the email address, you can enter the recipient's email address. So I'm just going to enter my email address right here. So once you enter your email address, you can enter your sender's name as well. So I'm just going to enter the sender's name and the sender's email address as well. Now, if you want to add any personalized messages, you can do that here. So here, by default, it will show the sender's name and has sent you a Apple gift card. You can, this is the default message that the receiver will get, but you can write any personalized message here. Tap on save. Now here you can tap on add to bag. This will usually arrive within an hour, so just tap on add to bag. Now tap on checkout. Once you do that, you can enter your Apple ID here to continue. I'm just going to continue as a guest. And finally, you will get to your checkout page where you have to add your payment details. So I'm just going to continue with credit or debit card. Here you just have to enter your card information like your credit card number, expiry date, your CVV, and on your billing address you are going to enter your country and region first, your first and last name, your street address, if your apartment number if you have it, zip code, your city or state, and finally your contact info. And once you do that, you can just tap on continue to review and continue on with the payment. So that's how you easily buy any kind of Apple gift card. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I'll catch you on the next one.